Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been working in Figma and noticed that your tab navigation isn't quite behaving how you want, maybe it scrolls off the screen when you scroll your design, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to fix your tab nav and make it stay perfectly in place. By the end of this quick tutorial, your navigation bar will be locked just like you see in all those slick modern apps. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, open up Figma and make sure you're inside the specific file or project you're working on. If you're new to Figma, don't worry, you can do this with just about any design, whether it's a mobile app or a web interface. Once you have your file open, take a look at your layers on the left. You're going to want to identify the navigation element. That's usually a row of tabs along the bottom or the top of your screen. It might be labeled something like Tab Nav, navigation bar, or even just tabs. If you're not sure, try clicking around in your layers. As you select each one, it'll be highlighted on the canvas, making it easier to spot what you're working with. Now go ahead and select the tab navigation itself. You can do this by either clicking directly on the canvas where the nav appears or by selecting it from the Layers panel. Be sure you're picking the entire navigation group or frame, not just a single tab inside it. This is important because we want to fix the whole nav to the screen, not just part of it. Once you've selected your nav, look up towards the right at the different tabs and click on the Prototype tab. This is where the magic happens in Figma when it comes to interaction and position settings. I know Prototype is often used for wiring up interactions and transitions, but hidden in here is a feature that lets us control how layers behave during preview and scrolling. With the Prototype panel open, you'll see a section called Position. This is where we tell Figma how to handle our nav when the user scrolls the rest of the content. Click on the dropdown next to Position. There'll be a couple of options here. What you're looking for is the one labeled Stay in Place. Go ahead and select that. What this tells Figma is that no matter how much a user scrolls through your screen or page, your tab nav is going to stay exactly where it is, just like a docked navbar in your favorite apps. Give it a quick test. Click the Present or Play button in Figma to enter prototype mode and try scrolling your design. You should see the content sliding behind your nav while the nav itself stays perfectly pinned. This makes a huge difference, especially if you're putting together interactive demos or sharing your designs with teammates or clients. It gives your projects that much-needed polish and realism. And that's literally it, just a handful of clicks, but a massive improvement for your user experience as you prototype. If you ever need to change it back, you can just unselect Stay in Place or experiment with the other position options. Thanks for following along. If this video helped you fix your tab nav in Figma, make sure to hit that like button. Got any questions or want to see another Figma trick? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more simple, powerful tutorials to level up your design workflow. See you in the next video.